Nursing school taught us the textbooks, but not the real-life nursing hacks. That's where I come in. My name is Ashley Atkins. I've been a nurse for 10 years, and I am your online preceptor. When I was a new nurse, I was overwhelmed by the amount of information that I did not learn in nursing school. I built my whole social media platform talking about the parts of nursing that are not taught to you in school. Whether it's debriefing from a code blue or talking to someone that's on hospice and about to pass away, there's this knowledge gap between nursing school and real life nursing practice that a lot of new nurses find themselves struggling with. This is exactly why I started creating my nursing crash courses. My nursing crash courses are designed to help you build confidence as a new bedside nurse. They are meant to bridge that gap between nursing school and being confident in your skills at the bedside. Education is priceless, especially when it comes to taking care of people's lives. Let me hold your hand and be your virtual preceptor. You worked so hard to become a nurse. Don't let fear hold you back. Let's build your confidence together.